And so that summer, I drove around that town in this big, it was like, looked like a giant black boat almost, this really big Cadillac, which was interesting for me. And I remember as I thought about the other gentleman's advice, the very quiet, unassuming gentleman who'd said, don't be afraid to ask. When it finally got to the end of that summer, I thought, the guy who loaned me this car, he has a whole collection of cars. This was his mom's car. She passed away. And maybe I should ask if I can buy it from him. And so I think I looked up the blue book value and tried to figure out what was a fair price. And I had the money that I could do that.